Greetings and welcome to tutorials and short videos of clinical eye-openers. Those who are curious who is the general editor, I am speaking to you and presenting here my credentials. You're about to see a short clinical video. This series have the intent to present signs and signals so that clinicians can recognize patterns of childhood maldevelopment faster, more accurately, and frame their therapies accordingly. Believe it or not, a tooth may be a signal of a vanished co-twin. The vanishing co-twin events are increasingly recognized as a major cause of congenital anomalies of development in surviving what appear to be singletons but in fact are surviving twins. As indicated here, there are some major points that you may find useful before you view the introduction to a short video. Now we'll continue. A midline tooth signals many perspectives. Among the main ones is the SMMCI syndrome, which is increasingly defined by molecular investigations concerned with the nature of this genetic mutation. The other consideration is the vanishing twin syndrome, which, contrary to what was thought earlier, are far more frequent. And that implies that surviving co-twins are likewise more frequent, and the question is to what extent the demise of a co-twin impedes the development of the one surviving. In this instance, our observation may be of interest since reports of midline tooth, upper midline tooth, in the context of a vanished twin are very limited, which may imply that turning this logic in the opposite direction means that when we see a child with a midline upper incisor, we should think of a vanishing twin, and if so, of other known consequences such as vascular disruptions and so forth. So now we are at the end of this short introduction. You can gain access to the full video and to a short tutorial of about 14 minutes duration, and you can then also gain full access to all the contents of clinical eye-openers. So I hope you do so, and until then, I extend to you my best wishes. Goodbye.